Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're making this yummy round shaped puff puff. This is so good. Look how stretchy and yummy this looks. Let's get started. To a bowl, add 3 cups of flour. Go in with 1/3 cup of sugar and 1/3 cup of milk. Add 1 tablespoon of yeast and half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of nutmeg and mix properly. Make sure everything is well incorporated. Go in with 1 cup of water and use your hands to mix this properly. It's still very stiff, so I'll go in with half cup of water and continue to mix this. After mixing for a bit more, it's still stiff, it's still tough, so I'll go in with 1/4 cup of water and continue to mix just this way. Beat it very well like this. See, it's getting way stretchier and it's getting very smooth. This is what you should have. This is what it should look like. Very stretchy and smooth like this. Just this consistency. So we'll cover this with a cling film, or you can cover with whatever, and keep in a warm place to rise for about 40 to 45 minutes. Mine took just about 30 minutes. Look how it's risen pretty well. So I'll just deflate this and just whip it up a bit more. Look at how smooth, this is. Can you see? And so stretchy and way softer. Many people find it hard to get good shapes of their puff puff. You see puff puff in all kinds of shape and sizes. Well, let me show you how to get a proper round shape. So use clean hands. These are wet hands. I'll just take some of this and I'll squeeze it like this. Let me do it again. I'll take some and I'll just put them in my hands like this and I'll squeeze it. I don't know a better way of explaining, but if you watch closely, I feel like you'll get a hang of it. At first, you might have very funny shapes, but when you keep on doing it, the more you do it, the better you get at getting better round shape. You are going to fry this on medium heat. You don't want to use high heat for this. So to your oil, you drop your butter in. When you drop it in and it sinks in, that means that your oil isn't hot enough. You're going to get a very tough dough. But when you drop it in the oil and it comes up the oil in 5 to 10 seconds time, that means the temperature of the oil is perfect and it's going to fry normally and it's going to get soft and chewy the way we like it. But when you drop it in the oil and it turns brown immediately and it's floating in the oil, that means the oil is way too hot and you're going to get brown on the outside and uncooked on the inside puff puff. And here we have our perfect puff puff. Let me show you what it looks like on the inside. Look how nice it is. This was so stretchy, it was yummy and it was chewy. Thanks for watching. Bye.